Hello and welcome to DJ Boutique. In this video, I will show you an easy way how to tie a ribbon bow. We'll be making both single and double loop design and using different sizes of ribbon. For our first ribbon, I'm using 2.5 cm wide. For our second ribbon, I'm using 3.8 cm wide. So the first two bows we made had one loop. Now I will show you how to make the double loop bow. I will be using 5 cm wide ribbon. The ribbon is too wide for my hands, so I prepared a tool to help. This is made from cardboard. We will use a clip to hold the ends of the ribbon in place. This is our first loop and our second loop. It's finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time.